Very pleasant morning, my dear children. This is Fancy Jose from Mount Carmel School. Today I am here with class 6 physics. Today we are going to learn about light. So let us get started. In this video, we are going to cover light, sources of light, luminous and non-luminous objects, transparent materials, translucent materials and opaque materials. What is light? Light is a form of energy. Light is needed to see things. We need a source of light to make the object visible. Now, let us see what are the sources of light. Here I have given two pictures. One is sun, one is bulbs. Here, these both are sources of light. But one is a natural source, another is an artificial source. So what is a source of light? An object which gives out light is called a source of light. Now, there are many more examples for sources of light, such as stars, electric bulb, tube light, lamp, candle, lighted torch, etc. etc. But the most important source of light is sun. Now let us see what are luminous objects and non-luminous objects. First we will see luminous objects. Here you can see a torch, bulb, candle, firefly. These all are luminous objects. What are luminous objects? An object which gives out its own light is called a luminous object. That is, all the objects which gives out its own light. That can be a natural source or can be an artificial source. So natural sources are sun, stars, firefly. Artificial sources are bulb, torch, candle, burner, etc. Here, now let us see how we can see the luminous objects. Since luminous objects give out their own light, they can be seen even in the dark. If it is dark also, we can see a light, we can see a bulb, we can see a firefly. How? A luminous object can be seen because the light given out by it enters our eyes. For example, we can see the sun because the light given out by the sun enters our eyes. Okay. Next we will see non-luminous objects. Here I have given some pictures: table, stone, plant, clothes. These all are non-luminous objects. Why? Because they are not producing its own light. An object which does not give out its own light is called a non-luminous object. But how we can see these non-luminous objects? The non-luminous objects can be seen only when light coming from a luminous object falls on them. This light is reflected by a non-luminous object in all directions. When this reflected light enters our eyes, we can see the non-luminous objects. Okay. Next, many children will have a doubt: moon is a luminous or a non-luminous object? Exactly, moon is a non-luminous object which does not have its own light. But how we can see moon? We can see the moon because it reflects sunlight into our eyes. I will tell, when sunlight falls on the surface of the moon, then some of this sunlight is reflected by the moon towards earth. It appears as if the light is being given out by the moon. But in reality, moonlight is the sunlight which is reflected from the surface of the moon. Clear? Okay. Now we will see three types of materials on the basis how they allow light to pass through them. The first material is transparent materials. What are transparent materials? Those materials which allow all the light to pass through them are called transparent materials. Here I have given two examples, glasses and polythene bag. There are many more examples, air, water, groundnut oil, etc. These all are transparent materials. What they are doing? They allow almost all the light to pass through them. We can see clearly through the transparent materials. Okay. Next, we will see what are translucent materials. Those materials which allow only some of the light to pass through them are called translucent materials. Here I have given one example. These both are frosted glasses. See, this rose flower we can see without glass properly, but if we are putting a glass, frosted glass, then the image is not clear. So these type of materials are known as translucent materials. There are many more examples: butter paper, oiled paper, tissue paper, muddy water, clouds. These all are translucent materials. What they are doing? They allow only a part of the light falling on their surface to pass through them, not all the light. Okay. Next, we will see what are opaque materials. Those materials which do not allow any light to pass through them are called opaque materials. Here I have given two examples, a pile of books and one mug. These both are the materials which is not allowing any light to pass through them. Here, there are a lot of opaque materials, books, wooden door, metal sheets, all are opaque materials. What they are doing? These materials do not allow any light to pass through them. We cannot see anything through an opaque object. Okay. Now, in this video we have discussed light, sources of light, luminous, non-luminous objects, transparent, translucent and opaque materials. Hope this video was clear to you all. Thank you all. Stay home and study at home.